Alright, you guys, I am in a new Homegoods location, and the only thing new I'm finding like really big here for Christmas, this Martha Stewart tree. It's going to be 80, and there also is a larger one. It looks like a little like puffy like kid toys that you stack, you know. But this large one, 170. You do have the star on top. It looks kind of crooked, unless how it's supposed to be.
Must be.
Like that crooked look. Plenty of the Catherine. We've seen these before. The large gingerbread tree. And I will tell you, Christmas has been picked through. See, there's another Martha Stewart one, but in white. I mean, it is different. That penguin is $59.99. You get the little tree in the back. That's cute. Wow, I haven't. You know what? Let me pull one out. Okay, and this one is 17. Look at that. That's pretty cool. It's a large one. The same one. They're all the same print. Okay, I haven't seen this one yet. It is pretty cool. You got the beaded nutcracker and the rocking horse. Stocking holder by Sugar Plum Dreams. $17. That's 17. All these little tiny guys are still around. Let me see. I think I could scoot back. Okay, I'm trying to scoot back before people come. Deers. Oh, look at this guy. I don't remember. Wonder if he goes somewhere. If he's part of a collection. Maybe not, but he's $8. Just that little tiny nutcracker guy. Gingerbread. The peacock one. Here's a nice sleigh. Stocking holder. Marble base for 15. That's 15. This angel by Rachel Zoe, I believe, at $35. That's 17. You put the tea light in here. It's a tea light holder. That's actually kind of cool.
Reminds me of those Halloween ones that we found. Tuesday morning.
I gotta get in the light. Oh, plenty of boxes. They're $5.99. Just Snowman and Santa. All the pink with the stripe on it. They have a large one too. It's pretty. I feel like nutcrackers are everything left over. Isn't that weird? Tons of nutcrackers.
Even felt ones.
Noel, the glitter, tears. Okay. I don't think there's anything new, but we could still glance. That cake one's pretty on top. The cake is 200. I believe that one's gonna be a Catherine. I don't think I've seen the pink one. $29.99 right here with the pink drum and the floral. The Bell Santa, 17. These are so weird because I did these for Halloween. Those are 20. Okay, and $80. This one's new. It's actually kind of cool. And $8. Okay, you have the green and red. Oh gosh. Let me bring this one. Have we seen this one for $59.99? I think this one has the cardinal on it. $59.99. And if you're looking for a casserole dish, you guys, there's plenty to choose from. We have the Lodge. Not the Lodge. I don't know why I keep saying, but plenty of Dutch ovens. $40 here. This one's going to be $59.99. There's a Martha Stewart one. feel like most of the prices are at the bottom, but perfect for stew or whatever. Yeah, I like this white one. I need like a basic, like a flat one, like this white one right here, but a little deeper, a little deeper. This one's pretty too. Okay, it's just really crowded today, so bear with me. I'm kind of gonna be all over the place a little bit. Whatever aisle has nobody in there, I will be in there. But every aisle has like 10 carts in it. It's crazy. Here's a bottle opener. We have the tree, Santa. Oh look, the Nutcracker and Santa. These are little bows. It's a really nice one too. It's like a good, that's a beer glass. I'm like, that's a good beer glass. And there's tons of these boxes everywhere. So let's see, this bar cart is $80. It's like a little very lightweight. Very lightweight. And $100. Look, the long deer. This is going to be $300 for your wine. Ooh, here's a penguin one. $20 for that. There's also a tree one. Can you see that? The tree, the deer. Nice glass shaker, and of course that's for your wine. Oh, here's that tiered one, 130 it says right there, but I'm not too sure. I feel like that is on 130. The wooden one was like very pricey. Oh, it is 130 for the tin one. Remember how much that wood one we saw at the different location?
Yeah.
Wasn't it like
a wood one, right?
How much was it? It was like 500 or something like that. I don't know. I don't remember.
It was at the Homegoods in Desert Ridge, right?
Yeah. Little bears in the back. Let me move this martini glass. You could see it better. The bears, the champagne. Okay. It's a nice glass shaker. Gotta be careful in here. More martini glasses. There's several to choose from. Bows. It's a pretty green color. This one's $7. $7 for the green. That's $7. Oh gosh. Okay. I love these bottle holders. I like the steel ones. They're just so cool looking to me. And we have some little shot glasses. Some are going to be $10, $80 right here for this. These are really pretty, but there's no price on them. Really, really pretty. Next to me, these are going to be $20. These are $7. Tree. These are $8. $8. Then you have your red. $15. You have the Grinch. Okay, I know. Let's see these. I like these right here. Oh my gosh, and that is so gorgeous on top. This is only $20. $20 for that. Okay. More glassware. Double wall is $8. I think we were in what store were we at, you guys? Don't tell me it was Costco. They had double wall, but I said it was too pricey. Look at the shape of that. $12.99, and look, it has a little board on top, so you can put your little appetizers. $12.99. Okay, this one's kind of a cool candle. Before people come. Every aisle is crowded, you guys. That's kind of cool. Let's find out who makes it. Oh gosh, it's heavy. It is $25 from DW Home. 25 DW Home. No, that's pretty. Sand and fog. Oh, this. Wow, this is like a whole marble one too.
You may get it?
No. So this one's gonna be 40. It is all marble. Let's see the side. Isn't that kind of cool?
It's pretty, isn't it?
Okay, this is 50. It is all one piece right here. Marble. That's kind of cool. I've been finding like there's some pretty good marble stuff. That kind of looks like a candy dish. It's like a shot glass. $5 right here. Teddy bear one. Okay. It's a star one too. Not gonna pull it out. It's at the edge. It's a nice casserole baking dish. Mini loaf pans. Oh, there's that pumpkin one. I know a lot of people like that pumpkin one. No, can't really do digging because everything's just stacked and stacked. Bread saver maintains moisture to keep bread soft and fresh longer. I don't think I ever. Is this a stone? $3.99. Soak in water for 20 minutes, pat dry, then place in with the food. Oh, it's like it collects moisture. Oh, this. Yeah, 40. I know a lot. That's 40. Oh. That's too many people. $25. Look at that really nice salad bowl. It is really large if you're a big fan. Okay, I like that. And then we have some, put your bread in here. I love it. You know what? I'm not finding a lot of Christmas theme boards. You know how for Halloween we had like a bat one, a ghost one. Like for Christmas, I don't see as much, honestly.
No, you think you'd find like trees and snowmen and stuff?
No. It's a really nice serving board, 50. Oh, look how different. We had this one, the large one. It's 7 for the tiny. And then the large one, 8. And you guys, there's a cat one in the back too. How funny. Yeah, there's a cat. Oh, see? The cats. Let me pull one. Look at the cat. Those are so interesting. They're really thin. $5.99. These have the candy on top. Oh, they're just like so cute. I feel like they're just doing something, whatever trinkets they have. Glass spice jars. Oh, I'm not moving. This is $5.99. $10 for the gingerbread. Oh my gosh, look at her. Right? Okay, this is 17 here. And Marshall's, I think I was at, and Sam's Club, it was 20. It was 17 here.
Well, this is the bottle one. Would it have a Sam's Stanley?
Yeah, but I was looking for a bottle one anyway. But you know why? I think because it's the clear. I think the one in TJ Maxx was just like all white. And I think they have like colored ones. Okay, I get it. So yeah, like the price difference. So my daughter wants one. I'm like, okay, there you go. Merry Christmas. No, I'm for real. 20. Isn't that kind of pretty? We should make pickles. It's just reminding me to make pickles. $29.99. Look at this one. This is cool.
Really nice.
Yep.
It's like they took a geode and they
But it's not as heavy though.
polished it.
Like I was thinking it would be.
That's really neat.
Then here's her bathroom. Just gonna scan it.
How much was it? This is 30.
Yeah. Oh, look at this tablecloth, but in green. I think we might have seen it. But in red, $25. $49.99.
It's kind of interesting, like the whole store is Christmas.
40.
Usually it's just like a section.
Well,
even the
'tis the season.
even the pet toys.
Oh, that's for a twin. These are nice, right? This king set 70. Okay, check this out. The Hershey. That is so funny. This one's $8. And there's a chocolate bar. Same price. Took a little bite out of it, or it looks like it would have. Those are funny. Merry Christmas to all. Does that make music?
No, it's just a box.
Oh,
They
so they're
got
$5.
these.
What are they, $5?
Vintage boxes. Yeah, they're all 5.
The penguin ones. Let me see that. It's cute. Okay, I have to get on out of here. I cannot move down any aisles. Oh gosh. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one, you guys. Yay! The stores are crowded. Oh my gosh.